Good day, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new addition, the 1926 Ford Model T Roadster pickup. Hoorah! This sweet baby came from Port Alberni, BC, over on Vancouver Island. It's been restored to pristine conditions. Firestone tires. There's the size of them. Beautiful. Look at this. Ollie. Wow. I gotta say, I've never seen one of these this particular year. Apparently it takes a lot to drive one. You got a hand throttle, you got a couple clutches, you got all your feet and your hands working all the time to drive this baby. There's no gas pedal. It's all by hand. So they made you work back in the day to drive these things. Here we are at the BC Vintage Truck Museum, by the way. It's a beautiful day. We had our big truck show last weekend. Great turnout. Let me see if I can walk around and look at the other side of this sucker. Got a loop through here. There you have her. Got the spare on the side here. Hard to get a look inside here. It's up on the trailer right now. But in a few weeks we'll get her back out on the road and we'll go for a spin. Let me come over here and give you one more tour of the cars we got parked out front of the museum here today. These all belong to some of the volunteers that spend their time here. We've seen this beautiful Oldsmobile F85 convertible before. Cutlass. This is the one with the aluminum block that only weighs 2,800 pounds, which is extremely light and fast. And then of course you got that beautiful beast. 327 Chevy Impala. White interior, two-door. SS. In case you forgot, it's an Impala. Yeah, we're up in the Great White North, eh? Isn't that a beauty? The white and white. And there you have our nice, beautiful, Valiant V100 Victory. Alright, there you have her. A little peek today at some of the nice rides we got in the front here on a Saturday. If you haven't been in the truck museum, come by. We're open Wednesdays and Saturdays from 10 to 2. It's located in Cloverdale, BC. Yeah, that's right. I hear you knocking. Come on in. Plethora of vehicles. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.